Welcome everybody to the Pating Nation. Look, twice I've done that.
How about that? He's on a roll.
Today's pretty exciting. We're actually going to go out with some of our subscribers. We're going to go up to Destin and we're going to go eat at the world famous Maguire's. We found out now they got $2.1 million on the wall.
Crazy.
So we're going to go up there and check that out. So we're going to show you some of that ride going up there, and hopefully it won't rain. They were predicting rain today. And so then after that, we're going to come down here and take a look around down here at the vendors booths, and we'll see what happens.
That's right.
Welcome to Thunder Beach Bike Rally 2024.
Yeah, but it kind of stuff. The tag she was in some car show in 2004.
I ate settle.
That's a good one.
So how was your chicken?
It was excellent.
It was great.
You didn't eat a chicken. You had a salad.
Cobb salad.
Huge coffee.
Did you eat it all?
No way.
Not even half, probably.
So how was your chicken?
It was great.
I didn't eat it all.
Didn't eat it all.
Gave him mine.
You had chicken.
I did.
How was your chicken?
My chicken was good.
There you go.
You eat it all?
Yep.
I ate all my chicken.
I don't mind.
more guy coming. Yeah.
Brittany.
Everybody right now, so you want to buy for 'em.
All right, come on down to Indian Motorcycles at Panama City Beach.
Is the tip jug up here?
Right there. Yep, thank you so much. Michelle.
I'm Alex.
Hey, you want to buy?
Oh, and I have, and it's been done.
Hi Tam, how are you today?
Hi, how you doing?
I'm doing well.
How's the rally been so far? First day, opening day?
It's on par over that. It's not super busy, but it's not bad. It's what we expected.
No rain at least.
Yes, definitely no rain. It's warm today, but at least now the breeze is working a little bit on our side. It was pretty stagnant this morning.
Good. What's so funny?
Hi, honey.
Yes,
Come
we need something
on.
for content today. We got nothing. when you're coming into the over here at Frank Brown Park, they're going to take your picture. You can actually come over here to this display. We've seen them in a couple other rallies. You can look at the picture, you can figure out what you want, you can print it out, or they can make it on all kinds of blankets and picture tins, all kinds of neat things. So it's one of the neat things that I like. They're not a sponsor of us, but I think it's really neat that you can actually see what you had done right away. And right here, they're in one of the aisles, so come on by, and it's bikerrallyphotos.com. Look, 50 caliber bullets is here. So hey, we're gonna have to talk to him, because if you're looking for a great, hey, somebody needs to get a bell.
Yep.
And I don't have a bell on her bike yet.
Nope, I don't.
So maybe we'll get us a 50 caliber to put on her bike. Maybe I'll have to buy it, because she can't buy her own.
They don't ride them. I don't know why the Apex is not out on. You don't see them.
I don't know. Oh, something's burning, don't it?
Yeah. Man, I'm locked up as a tent. So it's pretty neat. It was kind of a short day. So this was opening day. We went around and talked to some of the vendors here. They all said they did pretty good for a Wednesday, because it's, for years ago, they didn't even have the rally starting on Wednesday.
right.
It started on Thursday. So we did see a lot of bikes coming in from Destin coming this way. So it should be a pretty good crowd this weekend. The weather's going to be looking good. Got a little cloudy today, but yesterday we got
rain, though.
We probably didn't even get, you couldn't even measure the rain that came down last night.
Thimbleful.
Wasn't even that. Just a few drops here and there, and that was pretty much it. If you watched the video from yesterday that I had come out in the afternoon, that one there kind of showed you it was raining a little bit then when we were filming. So other than that, pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and wrap up today right here at Frank Brown's Park. And we'll be out tomorrow and show you some more exciting things that are going on. Some of the bike shows will start going on and all that good stuff. So end it up.
So thanks for hanging out with us today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a big thumbs up. Ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you and Adam Amsoil in the next video.
Look, we got photobombed by that guy.
Bye-bye.
Darn guy.
And she still says my name wrong.